Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very strange but cool looking paradox skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I'll show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this very unique looking character, and we're gonna start out with the shape of his head first, since there's no really not any details on the face. So we're gonna draw on the top here, just one line across. So this is gonna be the width of the top of his head. And then from there, we're gonna come in slightly, all the way down. I guess this would be kind of like his jawline. And then from there, we're just gonna curve in slightly, and then close it off. This would be his chin. Alright, and then to finish off the top here, just kind of come up right in the middle. I'm just going to draw a circle. And then from that circle, just kind of draw a line slant all the way to the corners again. And that will finish off the top of the head. And then for the details inside here, he's got a little visor right toward the middle here. So if you can imagine the distance here in the middle, and then slightly a little bit higher. Or the center. Just gonna draw one line and then go up. So it's gonna be a little bar. Okay, so that's the visor. And then for the top here, let's add in some details. So it's got, let's see, a red stripe right on the top. So just draw two lines like that first. And then now for that yellow bar that kind of comes down, it's gonna come straight down, one big bar toward the center, and we're going to continue that all the way down his face. And then also for the visor here, but I'm just going to draw it slightly a little bit wider. Okay, and let's draw in the details on the face later. So let's continue down. So the bar is going to keep going down here. So underneath the chin, we're going to make it a little bit smaller. Is coming down to his chest area, and then just close that off. And then to draw, let's draw in his jacket here. So on the corners here, so just come down first. This is gonna be his collar, and then go back up to the chin area. Well, I mean the jaw area. Just kind of curve it down. Alright, and then now we got drawing those big, he's got big beads and those necklace. So start in the middle, we're gonna come down. And they're nice and big, so we're gonna draw one big circle first, and then now we're gonna go up. So now we're gonna draw another one. Okay, so that's two, and then I'll keep going. Go all the way up. Okay, so you should reach around the shoulder area right here. And then for the last one, it's gonna go behind. So we're gonna go from here, just draw a little curve right behind the collar there. Okay, yeah, so it's a little bit weird. So now let's finish off the jacket so we can see this thing a little bit better. So right here, we're gonna continue this line, come down behind the those balls, a necklace, and this is gonna be his waist area, so we just close that off first. And then let's go back up to the shoulder, so right around the chin area on the side here, just slant out, so nice and wide. And then we're gonna pinch this in all the way down to his waist down here. And let's just go ahead and finish off his jacket here. So we're gonna come down, continue with this line. Let's curve it out slightly. And same thing on the outside here. Let's go out. And then just close it off. Alright, so let's go back up and finish up his arm. So there's not a lot of detail on his arm. So here's the armpit. Shoulders coming down, Go back to the armpit. So here's the elbow. And then I'm just gonna give it a slight bend. Close it off. And now for his hand, so come down here. That's gonna be his thumb here, just hook it like this. Palm inside, slant. And then here's the back of the palm. And then now for the fingers, I'm just gonna draw in a little curve like this. And then go back up and connect that. And then on the inside, we're gonna add a little bit of finger. All right. So now for the other side, pretty much the same. Armpit, shoulders coming down, the elbow, go back to the armpit. Okay, slight bend, just come down, close that off, and then same thing for the hand here. Just come out, here's the thumb, slant down, back of the hand, and then just a slight curve here. Just turn it and go back up. And then one more finger inside here. Alright, and let's see. Yeah, we can add in some detail to the jacket now. So on the shoulder here, it's got a little bit of strap, so just come down. So start here and just come down past the armpit and just kind of pinch it off. And on the side here, come down and just curve out, down, curve out. And then the middle here, it's got a little patch here. So start here and then just go up. And we won't see it because it's behind his necklace. So come out and just go up until it disappears. For his lower body, is really weird. I don't know what he's wearing. It looks like a skirt and a short at the same time. So come down here, just kind of draw one line first, and then this looks like a short, so in the middle, just come down, back to the middle, just come over a little bit, and that's gonna be short. And then for the details right here, we just gotta draw one line. Okay, so now we can draw in his legs. Right here, this is his thigh, and this is gonna be his knee right here. So I'm gonna draw one line going out, and the other one just a little bit on this side. And once we have that, the lower legs, we're gonna pinch it off. Flare it out. Curve, and looks like skin tight, so it's really small. Close it off, and then for his shoe, just a little dome shape. And then one little detail for the sole. Right, same thing here. So little bracket, flare out, nice and skinny, dome shape. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the body. Very strange looking outfit indeed. And let's go back to the head and add in those little details. So for this stuff, I'm gonna switch to my smaller Sharpie. Okay, and then for this, we can draw in, let's start on the top here. We just draw two lines toward the bottom here. And then from those two lines, just kind of angle it toward the middle. Alright, and then down here, the bigger shapes, right around here, we can draw in a little angle like this, and then come down the side. And then on the top here, from the middle, just draw like two little loops like this. I'm just gonna draw one, I know he has more. And then here I'm just gonna draw an X. And one more shape, so let's see, right underneath the X, I'm gonna draw an angle, and let's go straight down. And that is it for this very strange looking paradox skin in Fortnite. So I hope you guys like this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.